If you're doing streaming or traveling around the world and doing different productions and you always have to upload your footage, how about using the ghost kits? This is something new, very nice, very lightweight. Let's dive right into it.
You're watching CineD, supported by B&H and CVP.
Hi guys, I'm Johnny from CineD and I'm here with Casper from Ghost. Casper, how are you?
Good. How are you doing?
I'm very well, and just full disclosure, this gentleman is an amazing person,
Thank you.
very reliable, very sweet, and he's an entrepreneur. And we're gonna talk today about this ghost kit.
Yeah.
Uh, Casper will walk us through what exactly it does and why you should consider maybe to have it.
Yeah.
Casper, so first of all, about the company. What are you guys doing? Who are you? Because I'm sure most of our audience never heard about you.
Yeah. So I founded the company with my co-founder Cyrus Eason. I was tasked with getting all the camera to cloud cameras working for a client. And when I didn't find a product on the line that could do that, I asked my co-founder if he could invent it, and he did so brilliantly. I did it in just a few months, and we invented Ghost Kits, which is a Wi-Fi and cellular hotspot, and it enables camera to cloud workflows as well as live streams and any internet connectivity that you need.
So, what will be the difference between something like this and, let's say, Live View, which is very established in our market?
Yeah, so LiveView has multiple modems in it, so they have multiple SIM cards. What we do is actually quite brilliant. It's our patent pending smart network switching. So we have an IMSI SIM card that connects to 600 cellular carriers in 190 countries, and we smart switch you between the carriers. So if you're a photographer in a stadium and you're on Verizon, and Verizon tanks when tens of thousands of fans are in the stadium, right? We smart switch you to T-Mobile and keep you connected throughout the game. Instead of network bonding all of the networks at the same time and bogging down your connection, we keep switching and pivoting between the networks.
How long did it take you actually to develop something like this?
I think it's taken us about 2 years. We founded the company 1 year ago, and it's taken about 2 years to completely develop it. And this is our go-to-market design that we literally just released to show everyone yesterday. And we're manufacturing the kits as I speak to deploy them to enterprise level customers.
One of the striking things is how lightweight the whole thing is. I mean, even
know,
when,
right?
because I've seen it in different stages.
Yeah.
That's the final version. Amazingly lightweight.
Yeah.
Is there anything inside?
Yeah. There is a PCB custom board inside that is running all of our software. And it's incredibly light, and we want to be light because that photographer needs to put it in their camera bag or their, on themselves, right? And we don't want to bog that photographer or videographer down because we already know they have so much camera gear. So we want to be as small and compact and light as possible.
When it comes to powering, obviously the battery will go here.
Yes.
What are the options?
So you have an NPF lithium ion battery that you can plug in, will last about 4 to 6 hours, or you can plug in via USB-C to like an external battery.
Okay, now walk me through. Let's say that somebody really liked what you see here, and he or she want to purchase something like this.
Yes. Yeah.
How it's gonna like mingle into the workflow? What anything that I have to do specifically? Do you have an app for that, or what will be the? Okay, I bought it. What now?
What now? Yeah. So first of all, you're going to turn on the kit. Once the kit is turned on, then you can have an app on your phone and you can be able to manage it and custom it to your exact workflow. So like a Canon camera versus a Fujifilm camera has different WPA security, and we enable all of those. So we're camera agnostic and cloud agnostic. So then anywhere that your camera uploads to the cloud, we provide the bridge for that. So it works. It should just be plug and play, working with their workflow immediately.
When you say that it's actually working with different cloud solutions,
Yeah.
let's say that tomorrow Frame.io is on a different version. Will it affect your kit or not?
Nope, it will not affect our kit at all. And I'm going to talk about our kit to cloud feature, if that's okay.
Please.
Kit to cloud feature, which is coming out later this year, it's on our immediate roadmap, enables you to plug in an SD card or a hard drive or a non-Wi-Fi enabled camera to the kit and then upload to any cloud provider that we have integrations with. And no matter how those cloud providers update or go, we will be integrated with them and you can upload perfectly.
So what actually are you selling? The hardware only or also some international SIM cards? What is the deal
Yeah.
here?
So you can buy the hardware for $1,199, and then every time that you transmit a photo or video, that's going to be $7.50 per gigabyte. So you pay us, we deal with all the other carriers in 190 countries. So we want to take that burden off of you. So you are just dealing with just paying us directly per invoice or subscription model.
So actually, there is no SIM card. There's no way to install a SIM card, basically. Or
No.
no need actually.
Yeah, there's no need to install a SIM card in here. It already comes preloaded with a SIM card that we specifically designed to work with our software.
Again, about the pricing, you said per gigabyte it's $7.
And 50 cents, $7.50. We do have enterprise pricing. So if you're uploading a large amount of data, we can customize that for you. And you can just contact our sales team at ghostkits.com.
So basically, I can buy this, work with this anywhere in the world. It will connect to the best available network,
Yes.
and then when it comes to pricing, I just deal with you and not with any of those
Correct.
carriers.
Yep, absolutely correct.
I mean, I've been working with this like early versions
Yes.
of the Ghost. It really worked, and sorry to use maybe a bit of a rude language, saved my ass not once or twice when we are doing different CineD stuff around the world, and that's why I have a really hot spot in my heart for this type of thing. And it's really great to see how it evolved into something that you can actually sell to others. So all the information is in the website.
Yes, everything is on our website, ghostkits.com. And we have just, had such a pleasure partnering with you. So thank you so very much.
Of course. But anything before I say thank you and goodbye, any other thing that I missed? Maybe some, I don't know.
If you're here at NAB, you can come by our booth in the North Hall at N967. Otherwise, find us on Instagram or just on, the interwebs. Oh, and yeah, and you can find us on LinkedIn as well.
Great. Casper, thank you very much for your time. Guys, thank you very much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.